I'm going to, when this happens, do not open or close the door, because you're either going to tangle the cable, something's going to get hurt, the door might fall off, or anyway. So I'm going to fix it and show you that it doesn't take long to fix it if you know what you're doing, and then the door will work properly. This video is about what not to do if your door comes off the tracks and it's crooked and stuck. And I'll show you what happened. The lady left her tailgate up and the door came down and it got stuck. And then right over here, I'll show you what it looks like. You can do that. Was the cables here got tangled. Actually, it came off right here. And then the cable should be like this, attached to the door. And then what happened was, because of that, this is coming off. The rollers that slide onto the track popped off and came out of the track, and the door is falling down, falling off the track. Right here, you see that? So if something like this happens, the best thing is to call a professional and have it fixed so it won't do any damage to property, people, and the door won't become damaged. Stop. First thing, I'm going to get the rollers back onto the track and straighten the door out. I need my vice grips. Cable. I'm going to get the cable back onto the rollers.
I'm going to stop this part.
Okay, to show now the cable is back onto the drum up there. Okay, the cables and the rollers are back onto the tracks. And I'm going to lower the door by hand. And it's working good. Except this door is getting very heavy. So I'm going to adjust the springs to make the door balance. Stop. Okay, the door is repaired, except we're going to test it and make sure that the door opens and closes easily. The only problem is one of the hinges here got bent. I'll show you. Right here. This hinge got bent. So I'm going to change the hinge. Stop. Come over here. So this hinge is bent, and we're going to put a new one on, and after that, it's good to go. That's it.